like them.
Oh, they look good. Max is cooking dinner tonight. He's cooking this small hash brown tater tot thingy with jingies. And some, what are those things called? Shoestring fries?
I don't know.
Shoestring fries. I think that's what they're called. Looks good, dude. So we're sitting in the living room, and I tell Max, what's that smell? Forget about the fries. So we thought they were burned, but they could go in for a little bit longer. He's just flipping them over to get the other side.
Ah.
Watch it. Don't get burned. That's good. You just gotta flip those around. So I uploaded your video.
What?
You put it on your channel.
Hmm?
You put it on your channel, the Musically one.
Oh, I uploaded it?
Yeah, I put it on yours. So Max has a channel now. We'll make a separate video on that to get everybody to subscribe, but it's called, tell them.
Maxwell's Arts and Skits.
Maxwell's Arts and Skits. So he just uploaded his first video.
Yeah, I will be uploading it'll be kind of like a intro trailer soon, and then I already made another video that I will be uploading, and that will be like, I'm gonna be like telling 5 facts about me and about
Cool.
my channel.
Just flip them over, dude. Just flip them over.
What?
Can you help? Or you got it? No, this is your cooking, huh? No, you didn't even flip them over.
Hey.
Look at that, look at that.
Something over, but you can't.
Awesome. Look at that. Did you not do a good job or what?
I'm gonna try.
The shoestring fries are kind of, they need like salt. They're always like very,
Yeah.
I've never really cared for them, but.
That one was cooked enough, so I ate it.
Yeah. Alright, so let me put those back in because it's too hot for Max. So we'll put it in for another, I say 7 or 8 minutes.
So somebody once did that. They dropped the towel. Except for it going on the edge, it went in there.
Cool.
And it like almost set their whole house on fire.
Alright, so there's Chef Maxwell. Good job.